Good morning, students. Let us start with English grammar lesson number 22, direct and indirect speech. Introduction. There are two ways of reporting the words of speaker: by writing exact word of the speech, by conveying the meaning or substance of speech. First one, direct speech. The exact words of speaker or a reporter is called direct speech. For example, Ram said Ashok is an idle boy. So here Ram is a reporter, said is a reporting verb, Ashok is an idle boy is a reported speech, Ashok is a receiver. Now, students, we are going to learn the characteristics of direct speech. First one, that is reporter, receiver, reporting verb, and reporter speech in direct speech. Reporter, speaker, receiver, listener, reported speech, the part in inverted comma. The exact words of speaker are put in inverted commas. The first word of the reported speech begins with the capital letter. A comma is placed after the reporting verb to separate it from the reported speech. The exact word of the speaker, which are put in inverted commas, is called the reported speech. The verb which introduces the reported speech is called reporting verb. For example, Raj says Suresh is a lazy boy. So here Raj is a reporter, says is a reporting verb, Suresh is a lazy boy is a reported speech. First letter of reported speech as for Suresh will be written in a capital letter. Reporting verb says. After the reporting verb says, there will be a comma in order to separate it from the reported speech. Now, students, we are going to learn about indirect speech. When only a substance of the speaker's speech is reproduced, it is called indirect speech. Now, here the exact words of the speaker is not used in the sentence. It is reproduced. Only the meaning is same. And we are using conjunction that in a sentence. So here it is known as indirect speech. Ram says that Ashok is an idle boy. Now students, we are going to learn about characteristics of indirect speech. There will be no inverted commas are used, no comma is placed after will say, says, said, etc. The reported speech is introduced by the conjunction that. Now students, we are going to learn the table. How to change direct speech into indirect speech. Simple present tense. Is, am, are, do, does will change into simple past tense. Was, were, did. Present continuous tense. Is, am, are, verb plus ing will change into past continuous tense. Was, were plus verb plus ing. Present perfect tense. Has, have plus third form of verb will change into past perfect tense. Had plus third form of verb. Present perfect continuous tense. Has, have, been plus verb plus ing will change into past perfect continuous tense. Had, been plus verb plus ing. Simple past tense. Did will change into past perfect tense. Had done. Past continuous tense was were plus verb plus ing will change into past perfect continuous tense. Had been plus verb plus ing. Past perfect tense had done will remain same. There will be no change. It will remain same. Past perfect tense had done. Models. Shall will change into should. Will change into would. May will change into might. Can will change into could. Must will change into had to. Universal truth or habitual fact. There will be no change in tense. Now students, we are going to learn the rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. Rule number 1. If the reporting verb is in the present tense or future tense, the verb in the reported speech is not changed at all. Example 1. She says Roma is a good girl. So here reporting verb is in simple present tense. So there will be no change inside the reported speech. She says that Roma is a good girl. Example 2. He says Sarvesh gets up in the morning. Says, again it is in a reporting verb. Is in a simple present tense. So again there will be no change inside the reported speech. The tense will remain same. Gets will remain same as gets while changing it into a indirect speech. He says that Sarvesh gets up in the morning. Example 3. Roma will say Rajan tells a lie. Now here reporting verb will say. It is in simple future tense. So again there will be no change in the tense of the reported speech. Tells will remain same. Tells. Only we will add conjunction that. Roma will say that Rajan tells a lie. Example 4. Sunil will say Sam is staying with his family. Will say. The reporting verb is in simple future tense. So the tense inside the reported speech is staying will remain same is staying. There will be no change in the tense of the reported speech. Only we will add conjunction that. Sunil will say that Sam is staying with his family. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech is changed. Like here, simple present tense will change into what? It will change into simple past tense. Example 1. He said Raj likes eating pizza. Now here our reporting verb is in simple past tense. So here if the reporting verb is in past tense, so here the tense inside the reported speech will change. Likes will change into liked. He said that Raj liked eating pizza. Example 2. You said Sona does some work properly. Again our reporting verb is in past tense. So again inside the reported speech the tense will change. Does will change into did. You said that Sona did some work properly. Example 3. He said Tarun writes a letter. Now here again our reporting verb is in past tense. So here tense inside the reported speech writes will change into wrote. So answer will be he said that Tarun wrote a letter. Example 4. He said Manoj loves his friends. Now here again the reporting verb is in past tense. So there will be change in the tense of reported speech. Loves will change into loved. So answer will be he said that Manoj loved his friends. Present continuous tense will change into past continuous tense. Example 1. He said James is reading a lesson. Now here our reporting verb is in past tense. So there will be a change in the tense of reported speech. Is reading will change into was reading and we'll add conjunction that. He said that James was reading a lesson. Example 2. Rohit said Manoj's aunt is baking a cake. Now again our reporting verb is in past tense. So there will be a change in the tense of reported speech. Is baking will change to was baking. Rohit said that Manoj's aunt was baking a cake. Example 3. They said Mohan and Sohan are distributing sweets. Now again our reporting verb is in simple past tense. So here there will be a change in the tense of reported speech. Are distributing will change into were distributing and we'll use conjunction that. So answer will be they said that Mohan and Sohan were distributing sweets. Example 4. The teacher said the boys are working hard. Now again here reporting verb said is in past tense. So there will be a change in the tense of reported speech. Are working will change into were working. The teacher said that the boys were working hard. Present perfect tense will become past perfect tense. The teacher said it has to be solved. Now here said it is in past tense. So there will be a change in the tense of the reported speech. Has solved will change into had solved. So answer will be my teacher said that it had to be solved. Example 2. Rocky said Tom and Dick have slept for a while. Now here again our reporting verb it is in past tense. So there will be a change inside the tense of reported speech. Have slept will change into had slept. Rocky said that Tom and Dick had slept for a while. Example 3. He said Hema has done her work. Now again our reporting verb it is in past tense. So there will be a change in the tense of a reported speech. Has done will change into had done and we have to use conjunction that. He said that Hema had done her work. Example 4. Mini said Manoj has passed his exam. Now again the reporting verb it is in past tense. So inside the inverted comma, tense has passed will change into had passed. And we will use conjunction that. Mini said that Manoj had passed his exam. Present perfect continuous tense will become past perfect continuous tense. For example, she said she has been working in a factory for 2 hours. Now, here our reporting verb is in past tense, so there will be a change in the tense of reported speech. Has been working will change into had been working. She said that she had been working in a factory for 2 years. Example 2. Jacob said he has been waiting for his brother for 3 years. Now, again, the reporting verb said it is in past tense. So, there will be a change in the tense of reported speech. Has been waiting will change into had been waiting. And we will use conjunction that. Jacob said that he had been waiting for his brother for 3 hours. Example 3. The commander said Indian army has been achieving all the targets. Now again our reporting verb it is in past tense. So there will be a change in the tense of reported speech. Has been achieving will change into had been achieving. And we have to use conjunction that. So answer will be the commander said that Indian army had been achieving all the targets. Example 4. Tom said Sumit has been working since morning. Now again our reporting verb it is in past tense. So inside the inverted comma the tense has been working will change into had been working. Only we have to use conjunction that. Tom said that Sumit had been working since morning. Simple past tense will become past perfect tense. For example, the news reporter said the fire broke out after 12 o'clock. Now again the reporting verb it is in past tense. So there will be a change in the tense of reported speech. Broke will change into had broken. And we have to use conjunction that. The news reporter said that the fire had broken out after 12 o'clock. Example 2. Avinash said Priya finished her homework. Now again the reporting verb it is in past tense. So here the tense inside the reported speech will change into had finish. So here finish will change into had finish. And you have to use conjunction that. Avinash said that Priya had finished her homework. Example 3. He said Sonu attended the class. Now again the reporting verb it is in past tense. So there will be a change in a tense of reported speech. Attended will change into had attended. Only you'll use conjunction that. He said that Sonu had attended the class. Example 4. The army general said the troop won the war ultimately. Now here again the reporting verb said it is in past tense. So here the tense of reported speech will change. Won will change into had won. So answer will be the army general said that the troop had won the war ultimately. Past continuous tense will become past perfect continuous tense. He said Peter was composing a patriotic song for the college function. So here the reporting verb it is in past tense. So there will be a change in the tense of reported speech. Was composing will change into had been composing. He said that Peter had been composing a patriotic song for the college function. Example 2. He said Ritu was exercising in her room. Now again the reporting verb it is in past tense. So here the tense in reported speech will change. Was exercising will change into had been exercising. So answer will be he said that Ritu had been exercising in her room. Example 3. Jeannie said Rahul was rehearsing for the show. So here said it is in past tense. So here the tense inside the inverted comma was rehearsing will change into had been rehearsing. And you have to use conjunction that. Jeannie said that Rahul had been rehearsing for the show. Example 4. Rakhi said Rima was playing in her room. So again the reporting verb said it is in past tense. So here again the tense inside the inverted comma will change. was playing will change into had been playing. Rakhi said that Rima had been playing in her room. Past perfect tense, there will be no change. Though our reporting verb, it is in past tense. Rosie said Ria had done this before. Rosie said that Ria had done this before. Example 2. Suresh said Mohan had worked independently. Suresh said that Mohan had worked independently. Example 3. Manoj said Meera had finished her work. Now here answer will be Manoj said that Meera had finished her work. Example 4. Ashish said Bini had already gone. Now here answer will be Ashish said that Bini had already gone. If the reported speech expresses a universal truth or habitual fact, then tense remain unchanged. Example 1. She said young children are very restless. She said that young children are very restless. Example 2. Pratibha said my mother doesn't like eggs. Pratibha said that my mother doesn't like eggs. Example 3. He said the earth moves round the sun. He said that the earth moves round the sun. Example 4. She said God loves all creature. She said that God loves all creature. So here whenever the reporting verb is in past tense, but here inside the reporter's speech, if it is a universal truth or habitual fact, the tense of the reported speech will remain as it is. There will be no change in the sentence. Only you will use conjunction that. Models. Present can will change into past could. Present will change into past would. Shall in present will change into should in past. May in present will change into might in past. Example 1. Prem said Rajesh will protect the wildlife anyway. So here will change into would. Prem said that Rajesh would protect the wildlife anyway. Example 2. You said Raman will be trying to fill a bottomless pit. So here will change into would. You said that Raman would be trying to fill a bottomless pit. Example 3. I said I shall go. So here shall will change into should. I said that I should go. Example 4. Sonu said Gaurav can stay at home. So here can will change into could. Sonu said that Gaurav could stay at home. Example 5. He said it may rain anytime. So here may will change into might. He said that it might rain anytime. Hope students, you have understood direct and indirect speech. Thank you.